I am still working on these planter pots. Just stained these 2x4s. Was going to use 4x4, but 2x4 is going to work. So I'm going to come back later and sand it, stain it a couple more times. I need to power wash my windows. Probably do that on Sunday, June 1st. But I just wrapped it up for today because I gotta go hang out a little bit. But this is what I'm working on, finishing up, trying to get this done. See the pot behind there? You can see that it's got cement in it. I'm gonna put some more in there with some rocks, some more rocks, but I think it's gonna look pretty nice when I finish. But you know the saying, guys, my saying, Rome wasn't built in a day. So that's what I'm working on getting complete. And then I gotta finish this area over there, the landscape area. I'm gonna put the camera on my greasy face for a minute. It's a sunny afternoon. I am hot. Been out here working since I got off work. I'm a LMT, licensed massage therapist. So when I get off work, I try to do what I can in between time. See that background there, that planter? Let me see. That's one of my DIY picket fence planters. I plan on making some more. But anyway, I'm gonna rotate the camera back. Your girl's busy, y'all. Getting it in. Gotta get it done. Get her done. Oh, let me rotate the camera back the other. So yes. I think it's gonna look really nice when I'm done. I'm doing a total of 4 of these 2x4. I got 2 more of these tall pots. Then I'm gonna put more cement in and put more 2x4s down in there and let them set in the cement. Sand it. This is a redwood stain, supposed to be weather resistant, water resistant, mildew resistant. So I'm gonna put a couple of more coats on here, but I'm gonna sand this off, wipe it, get the dust off, put another coat, and then I'm going to put a polyurethane finish on there after I'm done. So that is kind of where I'm at on things. So stay tuned and I will keep you abreast to my progress. Abreast to my progress. In the camera. Abreast to my progress. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace out.